This is the front page of your app. Look at the bottom. You see a house, a locator, a plus, a magnifying glass, and 3 lines that I call a hamburger menu. Click on the locator, which is the second icon from the left. Now you have a map. If you look on the top right where it says filters, click it. And then Magic Kingdom, highlight it and unhighlight Epcot. Click apply. And now it will pull up Magic Kingdom. These are the wait times. If you just open it up with your fingers, just move your fingers up and back. You can also change that wait time on the drop-down arrow. You can change it to attractions, where it will just show you other things that don't have lightning lanes, right? And then attractions... No, click on that menu, down menu again. Characters, it will show you the different characters. And if I click on the Mickey head, that's going to show me that that's Mirabelle. This one's going to be Winnie the Pooh. And if I click on Winnie the Pooh, then it will show me what time the characters are going to be there. Drop down menu, characters. Same thing for entertainment. On things that are around. So I can click right here underneath Be Our Guest. This is Be Our Guest, where you're going to eat lunch. And I click on that little hat, and it's going to tell me all about the thing that happens at the Christmas party. Okay? So you can have character meet and greets inside that cottage. Down arrow again. Restrooms, if I need to know where they are, then it will show me. So like right here, this up at Gaston's, I click on it, and again, get directions. So where am I? I am at Winnie the Pooh. And it will give me directions that I need to get to the restroom. So just kind of play with it and look at all the things on that arrow. Again, this is the home button. Anytime I click the house, it takes me back home. And to get to where I was, it's the icon to the right of it, the locator icon. And it will put you right back where you were. Top left is the filters. You just unhighlight and highlight. And then click apply. And then if I want to see them listed, the show list on the top right corner. And it will show everything. What it's going to show is where restrooms, because that down arrow. So everything is coordinated to the middle title. So I'll change it back to wait times, and you can see that's Everest. Okay? Well, Animal Kingdom and Everest is on top.